What up, everyone? I said I'd be back with my progress. That was yesterday. Here we are today. We got the head in. We got the new head bolts all torqued down. We got the cam caps on, tensioner and chainer in. This is my third time doing the timing on an Audi. I think I understand a lot better than I did at first. Basically, this triangle, this arrow right here, you're going to want to line up with this notch in your camshafts. Mine are pretty close, but because there's never been pressure on any of this and tensioner's on, there's no tension on the chain itself. I think that when I release that and we get tension, it'll bring these two a little closer together. When you're putting this in time, this will be in a divot, like right in between teeth, and then over here. So you're going to want to count 16 links between this valley to this tooth on the chain. And the 16th is going to be right after the tooth. We got 16 in between, so our count's right. When we release the tension, these notches should bring themselves closer together. And then you also want to make sure the crank is at TDC2. Otherwise, you could like jump a tooth and it would disrupt the timing.